Hi there, it's Rachel from Aspire, and today I'm going to walk you through how to request a card as an employee. This feature here allows employees to request a card from their employer. To get started, all you need to do is click on Cards up here and go straight up to the top where it says Request a Card. Then all you need to do is put in the card name, so the card you would like it to be about. So here's an example for Google Ads. What do you need this card for? Google Ads for new campaign. Great. You can then decide what sort of card you would like. Do you want it to be a virtual card or do you want it to be a physical card? Make that choice. Since it's Google Ads, I just need a virtual card. If you need it for travel, perhaps you might want a physical card instead, so you just click physical instead. As you can see, we can only deliver within Singapore, so if you are looking for a physical card outside of Singapore, this isn't available at this time. For this purpose, let's click on virtual. You can then pick the preferred currency, so we have a big range of currencies for you to choose from. You can then decide on a spend limit that you would like it to be. Of course, the person approving it can change this, but let them know what you're after. I'd like $1,500 monthly. Don't forget you've got your frequency over here. You can then link it to a budget that you are already associated with within your organization. So you'll see the budgets you're associated with. You can click no budget here, and then perhaps your employer might want to link it to a different budget. So feel free to add no budget or a budget that you already know. You can add your own specific merchants if you would like to, completely up to you. Again, we have a great extensive range here. Because this is for Google, I might as well just ask for it to be Google advertising. Here, in the reporting, you can of course pick what you would like. So if you're not sure, leave it at automatic. If you do know, then you can always go through your big list here. I'm going to leave it on automatic. You can also set up your receipt reminders if you would like. So again, completely up to you. If you want to be reminded to upload receipts, I'm forgetful, so I always do. Then lastly, you have some additional information. So here's where you can perhaps tell your employer or supervisor why you need this card. So you can just let them know for the latest campaign we are launching. So just as an example, again, if this is travel, it's because you're traveling. If it's for Facebook, it's for anything you really need, that you need a physical card or a virtual card for, you put it in here. If you need any more supporting documents as to why you need this card, you can of course attach it. Then you can just click on request card. Here it's saying, are you ready to request a card? We'll send the card request to the approver for a review. So it's going to go to your boss, and you can click yes, I am ready for that. And fantastic, that has been requested. And you can see just here it's pending review. And it's just here. So if you've decided you don't want it anymore, you can click on delete. If you've decided you want to change the reasons, you can click edit. But we hope this was very helpful for you, and you can all start requesting cards straight away.